we're in the field with the Vanquish, putting it through its hardest test yet. Also, we've got the results of the giveaway. Stick around. Hello all, Aaron here, back out again, and as you can see I'm not on the beach today, I'm in a field. I'm in one of the places that are on the permit that I get from the council. Long story short, the council give us land to go detecting on as long as you've got your NCMD insurance, of which I have, which is lovely. This is one of the locations, but this is notoriously quiet, this location. I've been here before with the Ace 250 and the Nell Tornado, found a few bits, mostly modern, nothing pre-decimal. Been here with the Kruzer, again found a lead bullet, slightly older, but nothing really pre-decimal, you know, nothing like that, nothing interesting. So I'm here with the Vanquish 540. Very, very peaceful, very quiet bit of land. This has multi-IQ, can help you find some good targets, deep targets, small targets. So that is what I'm doing with this machine today. I'm putting it through its hardest test yet. I'm putting it on land where I know, or at least I think, I believe, there's nothing. Is this going to prove me wrong? Is the machine today going to show me up and actually I'm going to be digging out a fistful of pre-decimals just at a depth that I've never been able to find them before? Let's find out. Hopefully if it does, I'll be the first one to hold up my hands and say how marvellous this machine is, but we'll see. Also coming up, I've got the giveaway results. Obviously I don't know who's won what because I'll be doing that when I get back home, but I will put it in the video and then we'll see who's won that ticket for Spring Detectable. Right, first of all, let's head on out and I'll see you at the first hole. Hopefully there's something here to be found. Let's dig. Okay, so we've got ourselves our first target. $11.12, just down here. So let's give that a dig then. Obviously I don't know these numbers, all I know is like 11 or 12 could be a ring pull, or 5p, something like that. So let's see if it's good. Let's see if it's tap. Nope. First one looks like a chewed up bit of can slaw or bottle top or something. Yeah, I think it's off a drinks can. That's rubbish, isn't it? Next one out, similar numbers, and yeah, the Vanquish loves a 5p. No pre-decimals though. That's the mission for today. Silver would be nice, but any pre-decimal from this piece of land would be brilliant. Let's carry on. Eight and 9 coming up. It says foil on the indicator. Yeah, jumping between the foil and the scent. Let's give it a little dig, see if it is foil. Probably. Oh good. Right, we've stumbled upon something quite tasty here possibly. Get some high tones there, like an old penny, like an old Victorian penny. And you can see it is at a massive depth. So if this is really, really deep and it does come up as an old penny, I'll be blown away by that. I'd absolutely love that. So let's give it a dig. This could take me a while, potentially. I'll see you in a second. Right, it's out. Wasn't as deep as I thought it was going to be. And it's somewhere in here. I've got a feeling it's just going to be a penny. Like a modern day penny, you know. Getting smaller. Or have I completely missed it now? Nope, there it is. Yeah. A slither of modern day penny. Bugger. For a second there I got all excited about this one. But no, it's just like a press stud on a bit of leather. Yeah. I thought hello when it came out. I saw like a dark edge like that. I thought we've got ourselves an old copper. Some nice old coppers that go to a nice dark colour, don't they? But no, sadly not. Again, it's tat. But we soldier on. We soldier on. There's got to be pre-decimal somewhere on here. I mean, look, the place is massive. There's got to be some somewhere. Right. So it's not a coin, but you can see from that hole. That's quite a substantial depth, and that's what it picked up. That. Don't know what that is. Is that a bit of coke or something? No idea. But that's what it picked up. It's not what I'm after, but it's pretty good going. For a second there I got really excited. Had numbers of like 2021 coinage, copper coinage. I saw a little mark there in the soil. And then there it is in the clod. I think it's actually a penny. But a modern penny. I don't think it's anything any good. Oh, it's a half penny. So it's not spendable, but at the same time it's not pre-decimal. So we're getting there, but we're still on the hunt for a pre-decimal. Good though, it found it at depth. Good, strong, solid signal. Good, strong, solid target. Good numbers. Yeah. Right. Pre-decimal. Get some good numbers from this one. Let's get around so you can see it. There we go. Okay, let's give it a dig. Let's see what it is. Oh, in the hole. Chances are it's going to be something like lead or a penny, something like that. Wouldn't it be nice though to have a pre-decimal? No. I don't think it is. No. It's another half penny. Looking at it, but look at that. Look at the depth on that. Yeah, little half penny. Good screaming signal. The depth almost as deep as the pointer. It's not bad going. Now, a few videos ago, I asked you what was the first pre-decimal coin I found with the Vanquish 540. This was your chance to win yourself a ticket to Spring Detectival, a weekend's detecting and camping. All you had to do was get yourself there and provide your own tent. The answer to the question, the very first pre-decimal found with the Vanquish 540, was a ship halfpenny. It was a ship halfpenny. That was the answer. All you had to do was leave that as your answer. Hashtag ship halfpenny. I had lots of entrants, and I think it's time now to select our winner. Let's find out who it is. So congratulations to you, whoever you are. At the point of me making this, obviously I don't know who it is because I'll do it when I get home and edit it in. So there you go. Congratulations to you. You are getting yourself down to Spring Detectable. You've won yourself a ticket to Spring Detectable. Congratulations. Thank you for entering. Right. I think we should carry on, shall we? Remember, we've still got pre-decimals to find on this field. Can't give up until we've found them. Something here now, listen. Look at the numbers. Jumping up. 27s, 32s. Good numbers, good numbers. But very, very deep. Very scratchy. Right, let's see if I can find it. Right, I can't actually believe this. Right, this hole here, the numbers again, they were jumping. They were in the 20s, 21s, 23s, and then they were shooting back down again like there was some rubbish in the hole. Somewhere here in the clod there is some rubbish, ringing in about 11, so it could be modern coinage, it could be ring pull, something like that. But deep down in the bottom of the hole, I've just got a glint of something. And speechless, absolutely speechless, genuinely speechless. Right, there it is. You see it? This is what was in the hole. And it's a little bit grubby, so there could be another coin in there that this was sitting on, you know. So I'll have to check that, but there you go. It's a sixpence, and it is 1921. Ooh, 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 just on the cusp. Oh, that's windy. It's just on the cusp. So I'd say that's possibly 50% silver the way that that's come up. Yeah. So I've got to check the hole because that could have been sitting in there with something. Look at him. He's got a terrible ear infection, hasn't he? Look at that. But it's done it. I set the Vanquish a test. I brought it to a field that is notoriously quiet. The field that finds forgot. I brought it out and I asked it to find me a pre-decimal. And it didn't just find me a pre-decimal, it found me a bloody silver. You can't argue with that. You can't argue with that. So, there is hope for this field yet. You little beauty. Got a little something here. Decent numbers, could be a penny, like 1p or something like that, because there's not a lot of depth to it, looking at it. Not a huge amounts of depth. So let's give it a dig, let's see what it is. Nope. And it was in the clod, just below the surface actually. So yeah, it wasn't quite the 6 inches down that the Vanquish suggested. That's no pound. Yeah, there she is. Good day to your mum. £1. 2013. Yeah, not bad, we'll take that. Okay, right, there's something in this hole. It was ringing up 20s, 19s, occasionally shooting up to 22. I've popped the clod, as you can see, quite a deep one. Good 6-7 inches down there. And it's now shot up to 32, which is lovely. Nice cut, nice numbers. If this turns out to be something good, then, you know, then the Vanquish should have done what I've asked it to do. So let's have a quick look. Let's see if we can find what's in the hole. Or do I need to go deeper? Let's turn the pointer on, Aaron. It works better when you turn it on, son. Right. No, I'm gonna have to go deeper because I'm getting nothing with the pointer down here. Oh, here we go. Right. We got a coin. We got a coin. It's a little coin, and it's a pre-decimal coin. Look at that. There you go. Don't put anything, wipe it on. Check that out. There we go. What's that? 1914. 1914. Farthing. George V. You little beauty. Yep. I asked it. I brought the Vanquish out onto this field, this very peaceful, very quiet field, and asked it to find me some pre-decimal, and it has. It has. You can't argue with that. Fantastic. Well, what can I say? We came here to try and find some pre-decimals on this field, and find some we did. We found ourselves a lovely George V farthing, yeah, I think it is, and a George V silver sixpence. Look at his wackle. Look at that. That needs a clean, doesn't it? But there you go. I set a test for the Vanquish, and it passed. You can't argue with that. Can't argue with that. That is lovely. Well, that's it from me. If you are thinking of picking yourself up a Vanquish, yeah, head over to LP. Link in the description. Have a look at what they've got in stock. If you'd like to see some more Vanquish videos, have a look at the playlist there at the top. There is a Simplex playlist there at the bottom. There's also an Ace 250 playlist, and the Kruzer playlist there as well. If you're heading out, good luck, happy hunting, and I shall see you again soon, and congratulations to our winner.